Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build the spinning flower and fairy teacup ride set. This looks so cute, right? I was a little bit surprised because the box is a little bit smaller than I expected, but it looks so good. So in the box background, we can also see the mermaid roller coaster set and the candy cupcake Ferris wheel set. So we have 2 bags of Lego, 1 sticker, and two guidebooks and 3 bags of Lego and also a sticker. So first, this is Alia, and she is wearing really nice looking cardigan with like ribbons, and there's a butterfly at the back. And it looks like she's kind of like wearing a little dress because it looks like the inside of the cardigan and her skirt seems like it's connected. And she's holding a phone and also this little juice over here, and she has another face print like this smiling face. So I love this new face print. So this is Alia, and now let's make the other dolls. So we've got 2 other dolls. So first, this is Leanne, and she's wearing a very nice vest with like these colorful colors. And at the back, it looks very cute too. So Leanne is holding this photo of the 3 characters. And it looks like Alia and Leanne, they are like wearing wigs. Kind of cute, right? Very cute. And there's also a little doll included. And this is the last doll, which is Autumn, and she's wearing very nice clothes as well. So she is holding this very delicious looking cotton candy. Yeah, big cotton candy as big as her body. So as you can see, we've got 3 dolls over here, and now we're going to start building this ride. So this is also one of the Lego Friends amusement park sets. So this summer they have like 3 sets: roller coaster, Ferris wheel, and this spinning flower ride. Yeah, so this one is the smallest among the 3. It's a very interesting ride, and I think it's sort of similar to maybe like a merry-go-round. And there's a really nice background with like this fairyland place. This is where they can take some photos. This is so exciting, so amazing. It looks so cute. So let's put some decorations over here with like these flowers, pink flowers with like this nice glittery blue color, and also some purple flowers as well. So over here we're going to place the camera. So the camera also looks so cute. It's like decorated with like purple flowers and like those yellow bright lights. So this one is where there's also like a map where you can see where you are. So yeah, so this one we have the same sticker like Heart Lake Park, and the location, the yellow mini location, is in the spinning flower teacup place, because that's where we are right now. Because I have like those the same stickers, like 3 of them, but the locations are all different because one is in here and the other is the mermaid roller coaster. The other is like a candy cupcake. And anyway, we've got some really cute fairy wings and also some wigs as well. So it looks like that's what Leanne and Alia was wearing when they were taking photos. So we've got really nice looking pretty bubbles over here. So those are going to be the stairs. So they're going to climb up the stairs to ride this ride. I think it's going to be so fun if you play with these 3 amusement park sets together. So awesome, right? The roller coaster set is really nice. But I think it would have been nicer maybe if they made the track a little bit longer, but it's still really nice though. So we are actually putting a lot of green colors, dark green and also light green. Let's also put these smooth bits over here as well and make it into a circle shape. So yeah. And this one is like a spinning cup, but it's also sort of like flowers. And there's also going to be a big flower and like those like some insect as well. So we're going to put like those decorations, and it's going to look so cute. So now we're making the stairs a little bit more longer now, and I love those bubbles, but I think they are not supposed to be bubbles. I think they're sort of like raindrops. You know, there are some like raindrops on like plant leaves, which like they sparkle and which looks so cute and like so pretty, right? So I think they are not supposed to be bubbles. They are like water drops. Yeah, you know, in the mermaid roller coasters that we have like those ones similar to those ones, but this one is more sparkly, and the one in the mermaid roller coaster set, that was more clear, because I think those were supposed to be bubbles and these are supposed to be water, but water doesn't really sparkle that much. But anyway, I think they just made it like that so that it'll look pretty. So this one is called Flower Dance, and we have that cash register as well. So now we're putting some flower decorations. Looks so cute, right? So this is the stand to stand so that we can put this flower dance this like logo thing. So this big turning thing is so big, right? I think these are the biggest ones that I've had, ones that I have, like these turning ones. These are like dark green color, and now we're going to start building the ride. So yeah, so there's going to be like two flowers, a pink one and a purple pink one and a blue one. Like it's a flower, but it kind of looks like a teacup, so I guess that's why it's called like a teacup ride. So yeah, and those two flowers are going to turn, and it's really cute. So first we're making the pink one. So yeah, it's light pink leaves, and on the bottom we have some like darker pink colors to put them together, like yeah. And the seats are yellow color. The blue one, the seat, for the blue one as well, the seat is also going to be blue color. So if we turn, it's going to turn like that. And so for the blue one as well, the leaves are light color, but the one at the bottom, it's a bit more darker blue color. And the seat, like I told you, it's also yellow color, just like the pink one. So it looks like two people can ride it at the same time. It's going to be a little bit small in there, but at least two people can actually ride it. So it's like total 4 people can ride that. So, but there's only like 3 dolls included in this set. Anyway, we made those like teacup flowers, and we're going to attach this stem and make a very big purple flower. So this one hasn't bloomed yet, and we are going to make a big one that has bloomed, a really big purple flower. Let's put some leaves, and there's also a drop of water on that one as well. So after we build this big purple flower, that's going to be end of the build, and we are going to make an insect sitting on the leaf as well. So this is basically like decorations, so this isn't very important to this ride. It's more like decorations. It's going to look so cute when they're all together, right? This is more like nature, you know, like flowers and insects and like these things, like these nature stuff. And the roller coaster was more like imaginary things like mermaids. And the candy Ferris wheel is like food, like sweets. Now I want to eat like candies. I actually don't really like candies. I like jellies and jellies more, and like ice creams. Anyway, candies are really delicious too. So this one is like a bug, and it can close and open its wings. So cute, right? So we're going to attach it over here and put this on the top. So now we finished building this set. So this purple flower is really gigantic, right? And this photo booth place is also really cute. I just can't wait to play with the dolls. So yeah, so this is how this set looks like. It looks so cute, right? I love those mini stairs. So anyway, we finished the build, and now let's start playing with this set. So now Alia arrived at this place. Oh, this ride also looks really exciting. I know. Well, that looks delicious. Yeah, I bought it in a place next to the Ferris wheel. It's really nice, this cotton candy. Let's see where we are exactly. Okay, so it looks like it has 3 rides. Yeah, and it's heart shape. Yeah, the map is heart shape. Anyway, what should we do first? So it looks like we're over here in this teacup, right? The roller coaster looks nice too. How about the Ferris wheel? But I think we should do this one first since we are close to it. Yeah, okay, let's do this first and try the other ones. Oh, hi, Leanne. Hi, guys. I didn't know that you guys were here too. Oh, that's such a cute doll. Yeah, I bought it. It's so cute, right? Yeah, it's a honeybee. Oh, let's try this one. Oh, this roller coaster looks nice too. Oh, this Ferris wheel looks cool too. Let's try this one first, since it's right next to us. Okay, that's a great idea. I'll pay since I have the phone. Oh, thanks, Ali. I will buy some other like snacks then. Okay, so now Alia paid for the 3 people and now they're going up the stairs. These stairs are so cute. Yeah, I know. Oh, this is very nature. Nature said, I love this one. This is my favorite. Yeah, I like this too, Autumn. This is really my favorite. Wait, why isn't the handle turning? Wait a sec. Oh, this flower is so pretty. It's so exciting. I want to ride the blue one. Yeah, now it's turning. How about I'll wait until you guys finish because it seems like it's a little bit too small space. Yeah, okay, sure. Oh, this is really fun. It's actually a little bit dizzy, if you ask me. No, this is the best ride ever. I just love it. I think you're really enjoying yourself, Alia. You're smiling ear to ear. This is so fun. So this is the end of the ride. That was actually quite good. Yeah, it's kind of like a merry-go-round, but it's kind of dizzy because you're like turning twice. Like yourself is also moving and the stand that's like supporting you is also moving. So it's like double moving. Oh, it looks exciting. Can I ride one more time, Leanne? Sure. This is so fun. I just love amusement parks. This is the best day of my life. Really? Almost the best day of my life. You must be really enjoying yourself. Oh, wow, this is so cool. What shall we do next? How about let's take some photos for souvenirs because we are having such a great day. Yeah, I totally agree. Yeah, those decorations on top of this is also really cool. Let me check that out. Wait for me, Leanne. Oh, this is really, really nice. Wow, the purple flower is so big. Oh, wait, sorry. Autumn. Yeah, there you go. The flower is so big, guys. Look at this. It's gigantic. And there's also like a little insect over here. I mean, it's not very little, to be honest. It's actually quite big. Yeah, and this one looks like it still hasn't bloomed yet, and we got some like those water drops as well. Let's take some photos, guys. We've got lots of things over here. Oh, wigs and also fairy wings. Let me try this wig first. Oh, this looks interesting. I actually never tried wigs before. Anyway, let's try this one, but I think the ribbon is a bit too fancy, so I will just use the wig. And also the fairy wing because the fairy wing is glittering and I just love glittery stuff. Let's try the wing as well. It's glittery pink. It's my favorite color. It looks so good. Wow, you look amazing, Alia. Thanks. Oh my god, the color is so pretty. Yeah, it's so nice. I want to try the wing too. Okay, Autumn. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I just love it. It feels like I'm really a fairy. How about I also try the wig? Yeah, great idea, Leon. You can try the pink wig over there. Yeah, I think I should also use the flower decoration since I'm not as fancy as you guys because I don't have the wig. Oh my god, I mean the wing, not the wig. Anyway, this wig is so cute. You look so cute, Leanne. That little ponytail hairstyle, it looks so good on you. So now let's place them in their right positions like this. Yeah. And Leanne is going to raise her hand because that's what she does in the photo. So yeah, let's put the camera back into its place in 1, 2, 3, smile. Oh, look, the photo has came out. Oh my god, it's so cute. It looks exactly like us, of course. Anyway, this is the best photo ever. Yeah, we are having such a great time and I can't wait to try the other rides. Yeah, especially the mermaid roller coaster. I love mermaids. And fairies. Yeah, fairies are really nice too. So the three characters are having such a great day. They're having the best day of their lives, taking photos, like riding the rides in the amusement park. Now this is making me want to go to the amusement park. It's really exciting, right? But I am too scared of roller coasters. So I think I like some other sort of ride. Anyway, this is the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye bye.